Welcome to our video tutorial on how to submit an honors contract. In this video, we will review how to locate and submit an honors contract for credit at Mesa Community College. By the end of our time together, you should also know how to navigate the honors website, how the honors contract works, and how to locate examples of an honors contract. Let's begin. Open your preferred web browser and go to mesacc.edu/honors. This will direct you to the honors main webpage. If you haven't already done so, bookmark this page by selecting the star in the upper right-hand corner of the URL box. This is extremely important as most of your questions as an honors student can be answered by going to the honors website. From here, locate the tab on the left labeled Honors Contracts. Here you will have detailed information about the contract requirements and how to submit the electronic form. I will be walking you through the process with a couple of example contracts. Select the blue button titled Submit Honors Contract. This button is term specific, so make sure you are selecting the button for the term that you're participating in honors. You'll be redirected to dynamic forms. You may need to log in with your MEID and password. You will be prompted for a dual push notification to confirm login authorization. Here is the electronic form for the honors program contract. It is the student's responsibility to set up a meeting with their intended professor to discuss the details of the honors project. You must have all of the information entered before your contract can be submitted. Dynamic forms will autofill your personal information. Review this information as it sometimes autofills incorrectly. You are responsible for filling in the telephone number, the instructor's name using the drop-down box, the course name, and the course number. Please be advised that the course name is not the class title. For our example, I'm using Communication, COM 225, not Public Speaking. You will also need to fill in which campus you associate with, the scholarship program that you're participating in, the Honors Achievement Award, President's Honors Scholarship, or Honors Candidate. You would have received an eligibility email from the Honors Office explaining if you are an Honors Candidate or Honors Achievement participant. You can check yes or no if you've already received a PDF version of your contract from your professor. If you were provided with a digital PDF of a contract from your instructor, mark yes. If you need to use the text box provided, mark no. Whether or not you were provided with a digital form, make sure you have a copy of your contract for your own records to refer back to as the semester progresses. To upload your PDF, select Yes. Select Choose File. Have your file titled Last Name, First Name, Course Number, and Contract for easy identification. For example, Danvers, Carroll, COM 225 Contract. Select Open. Click to digitally sign your form. Select Sign Electronically. And finally, select Submit Form. Remember to save a copy of your contract for yourself. You will also receive a confirmation email from Dynamic Forms confirming your submission of the contract. Please allow 2 to 3 weeks for your contract to be reviewed and approved by our honors directors. If you did not receive a contract from your professor and you need to use the text box provided, select No on the honors contract form. Select the first text box, Description of Honors Project. Here is where you will write a clear summary of what you'll be studying for your honors project. Second text box is the Description of Project Presentation component. You will explain how the information will be presented to your class, your instructor, or other public forum. The third text box is the Description of the Project Research component, where you will explain what you will be researching and what resources you will use. The description of how the project will be graded is the section where your instructor will need to help you. Your instructor will help you determine how the project can be graded, either pass-fail, graded on a rubric, or other designated standards. The fifth text box is the description of the writing component. Every project must have a written report in addition to the presentation. Finally, we have the description of the due date and meeting/progress dates. You'll need to set meeting times with your instructor to make sure that you are still on track for your final due date. For example, today's project, we will be filling in our contract for our communications class. The description of the honors project. Student will successfully complete 2 informative videos explaining the differences in the honors program scholarship opportunities and how it benefits students. The research component. The honors project must have references from 4 different resources: the honors website, personal interviews, scholarly journals written on the statistics of honors students completing their degrees, and transfer statistics. The writing component. Student will draft an official outline of their video speeches and write a 5-page essay in MLA format on their experience creating the videos. Student's essay will focus on the complications that arose during research and how they are overcome, and give a self-reflection on the effectiveness of their informative video speeches. The presentation component. The student will record and upload videos through YouTube and then share with the online communications class, as well as live stream a question and answer session in review. How the project will be graded, as set up by my instructor. The student will follow the rubric for the informative speech requirements from class. Project will be graded on a scale of 0 to 5 for completion, organization, presentation, and professionalism. Finally, the description of the due dates and meeting progress. The honors project is due the week prior to finals. Student will organize meeting dates every 2 weeks to check progress. Here is an example of the scheduled meeting dates. March 22nd, the research will be selected. April 6th, the rough draft of the research paper to be reviewed. April 19th, visual aid will be prepared. May 3rd, the speech will be finalized. May 17th, the final due date and the presentation. Once again, click to sign electronically and save a copy of your contract for yourself. Whether or not you're provided with a PDF form of your contract or filling it out here with the text boxes, the more detail provided, the easier it will be for you and your instructor to follow the guidelines listed out in this contract. If any of the parts of the contract are missing or filled out incorrectly, the honors directors will reject the submission and message you with notes that need to be addressed. It will be your responsibility to make the necessary changes, not your instructor's responsibility. To find examples of past honors contracts or projects, return to mesacc.edu/honors. Locate the menu tab on the left titled Honors Contracts and select the sub-tab labeled Examples of Honors Contracts. This concludes our video on how to find and submit an honors contract at Mesa Community College. For additional questions, or if you're unsure of which scholarship program you are participating in, please return to mesacc.edu/honors to review the scholarship descriptions, requirements, and view additional how-to videos about our program. Thank you.